In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add music to Canva video from YouTube. Before we jump in, make sure you have the right to use the audio you want. That means choosing music that's licensed for your project, using tracks from the YouTube audio library, or getting permission from the creator. Once you've confirmed that, download a copy of the audio to your computer, such as an MP3 or WAV file, so it's ready to bring into Canva. Open your Canva project and head to the Uploads panel. Click Upload Files. Locate the audio file you downloaded and add it to Canva. You'll see it appear in your Uploads tab, and it may take a moment to process depending on file size. When it's finished, you are ready to place it in your video. To add it to your timeline, simply click the audio in the Uploads panel. Canva will drop the track into your design, and you'll see it appear along the timeline beneath your clips. If you don't see the timeline at the bottom, make sure you are in the video editor view so you can see where the audio sits relative to your visuals. Now let's refine it. Click and drag the audio track left or right to decide where the music should start. If you only want part of the song, grab the ends of the track to trim it down to the section that fits your edit. You can also adjust the volume so the music sits nicely under voiceover or on-screen dialogue. A good rule of thumb is to lower the volume for background music, so it supports rather than overpowers your content. If you want smoother transitions, apply a short fade in at the beginning and a fade out at the end. This prevents the music from starting or stopping abruptly. Press play to preview and make small tweaks until the timing and volume feel right with your visuals. When you are happy with everything, it's time to export. Click the download option and choose MP4 so your video and audio are packaged together in a single file. Canva will render your project, and once it's done, save the MP4 to your computer. Give it a quick watch to confirm the audio lines up and sounds clean from start to finish. That's it. Thanks for watching.